Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I will show you how to report inappropriate content and block users on TikTok safely. Reporting and blocking helps keep the platform safe and ensures a better experience for everyone, so let's get started. First of all, launch the TikTok app open on your Android or iOS device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the video or profile you want to report or block and press and hold it. You will then be able to see this pop up. Go ahead and tap on Report in order to report the content. Choose the region for your report from the options provided. Follow any additional prompts to submit the report. Remember that you must be careful while reporting someone. Only report people that have been inappropriate for you or that have been posting inappropriate content on TikTok. Don't go around blocking and reporting innocent people. After you report someone, tap on Submit and you will then be able to report the content. Now, in order to block someone on TikTok, go ahead and open up the profile of the person you want to block, and once you do that, go to the top right corner and tap on the little arrow button facing on the right. Now from the pop-up at the bottom, select Block and confirm that you'd like to block the contact by tapping Block once again. Soon after you do that, the person will then be blocked on TikTok. The blocked user will no longer be able to interact with you, view your content, or send messages. Once the people are blocked, they'll be inside the block list. Securely go to the profile button at the bottom right and tap on the three lines at the top right. In the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy, and from the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Privacy. Under Privacy, scroll down and tap on Blocked Accounts, and all of the contacts that you've blocked will be displayed here. And that's it. You've successfully reported inappropriate content and blocked users on TikTok, keeping your account secure, safe, and improving your overall experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.